How to use discount code in Cubicle. The first step to do to use discount code in Cubicle is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by signing up with your email address, phone number, or social media account. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to your account page and then you will see the search bar right on the upper part of the page. Search for the product that you're planning to buy and click Add to Cart. A pop-up shopping cart will automatically show that will help you review your items, and after that, click Checkout on the lower part. Once you're done, pay attention on the right side of the page. Below the list of your purchased items is where you can input the discount code. Just type it in there and click Apply. Since I'm not going to totally buy the product, I'll just leave it right here. Nonetheless, that is how you can use your discount code in Cubicle. Easy, right? That's it for today and I hope you like this video. See you next time.